Welcome to another episode of My Car Story. I'm here with Mike Cibelli. Mike, Lou, good to see you. Let me grab the camera as I usually do. Thank you. And Mike, come with me. Step back here for a moment.
Ready?
And what do we have today?
This is a 1971 Oldsmobile 442.
The 442. Now, tell me what 442 means.
442 stands for 4-speed, 4-barrel carburetor, and dual exhaust.
Dual exhaust. Now, how did you end up with this car out of all the cars in the world?
Well, due to the fact that my family has had several Oldsmobiles, it seems like it runs in the blood.
Okay.
So I bought one myself.
It's an Oldsmobile blood thing. And let's get an overall shot of the side of this car. It's a pretty large car.
Yes, it is.
How does this fit in the garage? Pretty smooth?
In newer garages, it's pretty close. About 6 inches of space from front to back. That's about it.
Okay, and tell me about this color, because this color is a little, this is all original.
Yes.
And what color is this?
This is called Bittersweet. Out of 7,571 442s, only 112 are painted this color. So it's very special.
Bittersweet.
Yes.
This car just looks sweet. It doesn't look too bitter.
Thank you.
But
it's a cross between gold and orange, it seems like.
And it's got these great hood louvers.
Non-functional hood louvers, yes.
But there they are. I get the close-up on those. And let's take a look at the back of the car.
Sure.
It's got a beautiful swooping rear end. And
lots of chrome in the back.
And it's a great stance. Now, is that exhaust? Its exhaust tips are not stock, are they?
Yes, they are stock.
They are.
They call them trumpet tips.
Let me zone in on those.
442. You see the bumper was cut out for those tips. That's special to 442 only.
That is really nice. All right, let's take a look at the interior.
Sure.
It's got nice haunches to it. Let's look at the door. We've got the Oldsmobile emblem there.
The interior is called Sienna Brown.
Sienna Brown. And now that center console came standard?
Yes.
Okay. We've got an actual back seat that's actually pretty functional because the car is long.
Big. It has what they call rally pack gauges.
Was the 8-track standard?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so we got the standard 8-track. Let me kind of give you the overall of this dash from the driver's seat. And you've got the nice Oldsmobile emblem. No horn. We've got the lights, and we've got the wipers.
You see the gauges are what they call rally pack gauges. They're no idiot lights, as they call them. These are all straight gauges.
And we got that inside there. And we just got some music in the background. The 442. Okay, let's pop the hood. Wow. Usually we don't get music on the engine open, but we will do it on this one.
It's a 455.
455.
345 horsepower.
345. Because of the music, we're going to kind of go a little quicker than usual.
Air conditioning works.
That'll work.
It's the original label for the radiator.
All of that. Okay, Mike, let's shut the hood, and if we can get you next to your car. Mike, stand right there. Thanks for being on My Car Story.
Thank you for the time.